Want a low-mileage truck? Check out this 2022 Chevy Silverado RST Duramax for just $43,500. This white beauty is a 2022 model packed with the premium Z71 off-road package. The front profile looks incredibly aggressive with the bold black grille from the Dark Essentials package. It sits perfectly on clean black alloy wheels built to handle any terrain. The spacious crew cab configuration gives you a commanding presence on the road. The rear view shows off the classic embossed Chevrolet tailgate and dual exhaust setup. It features a power tailgate that drops down smoothly at the push of a button. The cargo bed is fully lined, spacious and ready to haul your gear. Opening the doors reveals a massive, professionally detailed cabin with a premium black interior. The driver's side features a heated, power-adjustable seat and rugged all-weather floor mats. The dash features a massive 13.4-inch touchscreen equipped with built-in navigation. The rear seats offer massive legroom and flawless black upholstery for the crew. Under the hood is a powerful 3.0-liter turbo diesel engine with only 10,000 miles. It runs and drives perfectly at $43,500. This won't last long, so DM us right